So hello guys, it's Victoria. So today I'm going to talk about the topic called importance of design. So here are the table of contents. So first I'm going to talk about on what is design, the importance of design, and quotes that are related to design. So first, what is design? Design is basically creating an object that's its purpose. Another purpose of this is to be attractive and comfortable to users as possible so that they could purchase it more. So to simply talk about on how to design, first you would have to brainstorm on what kind of categories are you gonna design about and some imaginations on what type of style would you make so that people will get curious and attracted to your product. And third, you would need sketching skills because before you make a real product, you would have to draw a draft so that you could know easily on what kind of product you're gonna make, and it has to be simple as possible so people could remember your product easier. So there are three types of design, which first is product design, which means 산업 design. It involves user needs and business goals. So it's also divided into three parts, which are industrial, craft, and fashion design. Next is visual design, which means 시각 design. It's kind of different from the last one because it is related to communication using aesthetic and artistic senses, and it also gives morals or messages to people. There are a lot of types of visual design, which are graphic, character, illustration, poster, and package design. So how to give morals, like in the poster, for example, you're talking about a serious situation called COVID-19 or any global warming. So it could give morals by presenting in the poster the prevention of them. So yes, this is called visual design. Third is environmental design. So it creates spaces to enhance the physical environments. And it's also divided into three parts, which are interior, architectural, and public design. So these are usually related to some places we live in or work in. So let's go to the highlight first. Second, the importance of design. What makes design very important? First, it is effective for marketing purposes. So what do you do if you want to make other people know about your product? You would advertise them, right? So inside advertisement, they usually use videos, posters, and magazine, which they also need to be designed because they have to have special effects to make their products look beautiful, delicious, or something like that. So for example, there are like water splashing all over, so to make the juice look very fresh and delicious. And this could also attract customers more efficiently. And then second, design could establish the brand identity such as logos. So logos are the ones that make people recognize about their specific companies and products. So it has to be unique and simple so that people could recognize easily. As you can see in the picture, there are a lot of logos that are kind of simple, but you could recognize them easily because they're all around us in the city. And then third, it is comfortable for people. It's not only on the appearance, but also its function. So in this picture right here, it's a rocking wheelchair, and on top of it, it has a lamp so that old people who would rest their backs could do also a lot of activities such as reading such as reading. And another thing is what we use right now a lot is our cell phones and iPads because yes, it's very simple to use, but it has a lot of technologies in, such as cameras, games, and social media. So you could use it simultaneously in just one product, which is very fascinating. Lastly, I'm gonna talk about or share you guys some quotes about design. So this one is made by Izzy Miyake. She is a fashion designer in Japan. So she said that design is not for philosophy, it's for life. So yes, this is true because everything around us is made up of design. what are sitting on, and our tables, our computer, what are watching on, and a lot of things, pencils, and almost everything is made out of design. It's not just for philosophy. And lastly, we all know this person, who is called Steve Jobs, the founder of the Apple company. So design is not just how it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. So the appearance, the visual may be important of design, but if it's only pretty on the outside, not on the inside, people could not really get attracted. They would just see them in the first time and would not purchase that product anymore. So instead of the appearance, I think the function is more important on the design part. So thank you. This is all for today, and thank you guys for listening to my TED presentation.